Introducing the Autopage alarm we just finished installing here on this F650 truck. What this company does, they go around and they shred paper to different companies, newspapers and government buildings. They go there and shred all the papers. It's a machine that they dump all the paper in the back, and it has a shredder inside. Basically, we went ahead and installed the alarm. The way it works is if you hit unlock, that will turn off the alarm. Will give you 2 chirps. To arm the alarm, you hit lock. That locks the doors and arms the alarm. If anybody opens the door, of course, the alarm will fire off. That will kill the starter on the vehicle, on the truck, I would say, and you can't start the car. The alarm fires off. Go ahead and try to start the vehicle. Doesn't start. Now, if I turn off the alarm, the truck will start right up. The red light is right here in the corner of the dash. And of course it has a shock sensor. If somebody tries to break the window, the alarm will fire off in any other truck. They didn't want to do anything that's protecting the back because there's really nothing to steal here. They just want to make sure that nobody steals the truck altogether. Any pounding on the window, it's a warning, and if they hit the window harder, the alarm will fire off. Go ahead and shut the alarm off. This truck doesn't have any power locks, so there's really nothing to it to lock and unlock the doors. This alarm is done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Thank you for watching this video.